Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the meaning of cash book, its objectives, its importance and the types of cash book we have seen. Okay, so now we shall start with the practical solution, which is question number 3. Record the following transactions in the cash book of Prapti. It is a simple columnar cash book, or we can say one columnar cash book, in which only the amount or cash column will be prepared. So starting with as on June 2015, first is opening cash balance rupees 10,000. So it will be debited. We shall write here date June 2015 on first. Our entry will be cash to balance, as we have opening cash balance in hand, we can say. So to balance brought forward. Okay, and in bracket we have to write opening cash balance. Amount is 10,000. Next, second, cash sales rupees 3,000. So the basic journal entry will be cash to sales. Okay, we shall debit, and we have to write this mainly debit and credit side. Okay, here we shall write to sales account. In bracket we will write cash sales, and the amount will be 3,000. Next, on third, cash of rupees 2,000 brought in the business as more funds are required. So it is a capital nature, we can say. Yes. So the entry will be cash account debit to capital account, as we are bringing cash in business as more funds are required. So on third, entry will be cash account debit to capital. So again it will be debited to capital account. In bracket we can write cash brought. Amount will be 2,000. Next, on fifth, cash purchase rupees 6,000. So the basic journal entry will be purchase account debit to cash. Okay, sorry. Yes, purchase account debit to cash. So on credit side, we shall write here by purchase account. In bracket we shall write cash purchase 6,000. Next, on 7th, salary of rupees 1,000 and brokerage of rupees 1,500 paid by cash. So it is our expense according to nominal rule. Salary account debit, brokerage account debit to cash, as cash is going out of the business and salary and brokerage are our expenses. So we will debit according to journal entries, and in cash book we shall write on credit side. On 7th, by salary account cash paid, also brokerage, by brokerage account cash paid. Okay, and the amount will be 1,000 and 1,500. Next, on 9th, goods of rupees 5,000 purchased from Drona by cash. We have purchased goods from Drona by cash. So the entry will be purchase to cash. Okay, again it will be on credit side by purchase account cash purchase. Amount will be 5,000. Next, on 11th, goods of rupees 6,000 sold to Mansi for cash. We have sold to Mansi goods for cash. So the entry will be cash to sales. Okay. Again on the debit side, to sales account, rupees 6,000, and in bracket we shall write cash sales. Next on 19th, rupees 3,000 paid to Nairuti for goods purchased in the previous month. So we shall pay in this month, and to whom? Nairuti. So the entry will be Nairuti account debit to cash. On 19th, we shall write here by Nairuti account, paid cash, and the amount will be rupees 3,000. Next on 23, Kinjal paid rupees 1,500 for goods sold to her in the previous month. So cash is coming in the business. She paid for what? Goods sold to her in the previous month. So the entry will be on 23, cash account debit to Kinjal. So we shall write here to Kinjal account, received cash, amount 1,500. Next on 25th, old cycle of rupees 600 is purchased for business. So asset comes in cycle account debit to cash account. So on the credit side we will write on 25th by cycle account, cash purchase, amount is 600. Next, rupees 1,000 received towards commission. So it is our income, and the entry will be cash account debit to commission. Okay. On 28, we will write on debit side to commission account, received cash. How much? 1,000. And the last, machine of rupees 3,500 purchased for business. So the entry will be machine account debit to cash on 30 by machine account, per cash purchased. Amount will be 3,500. Thus, after doing all the transactions, अभी हमें क्या देखना है? टोटल किस साइड ज्यादा है. दो अंडरस्टूड है रिसिप्ट्स में ज्यादा होगा. यहाँ पे हमें इसका टोटल करना है. अगर ये कम है तो ओडी बन जाएगा, वो हम आगे सीखेंगे. फिलहाल हमें ये देखना है डेबिट साइड में टोटल कितना आ रहा है. तो इसका टोटल आ रहा है 23,500. एंड यहाँ पे हमें लेस करना है. इसके टोटल में से पेमेंट्स का टोटल लेस करेंगे, देखेंगे कि बैलेंस प्लस में है या माइनस में. तो रिमेनिंग बैलेंस यहाँ पे 30 को ही आएगा. एंड ऑफ द मंथ लिखेंगे बाय बैलेंस कैरीड फॉरवर्ड, या तो फिर लिख सकते हैं क्लोजिंग कैश बैलेंस इन ब्रैकेट. ओके, तो यहाँ के टोटल में से ये टोटल लेस करेंगे तो रिमेनिंग बैलेंस आ रहा है 2,900 एंड टोटल दोनों साइड का इक्वल होता है 23,500. और ये बैलेंस हम ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड करेंगे नेक्स्ट मंथ के लिए. इसको हम यहाँ लिखेंगे जुलाई 2015 ऑन फर्स्ट टू बैलेंस कैरी फॉरवर्ड रुपीज 2,900. ओके, ये सम आपके लिए होमवर्क में है। इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स प्लीज डू कमेंट और ट्राई कीजिए। अगर नहीं होता है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू।